ORPT skin type. So you're under 30 years old and you may be thinking, I don't have oily skin, but our quiz looks at your sebum production. And so what that means is that the moisturizers that we're going to prescribe for you are going to be lighter and not clog your pores. So that's why we consider you an oily type, because you make enough sebum and oil on your skin that we have to be careful not to clog your pores. You also have some dark spots on your skin, so we're going to be choosing some skin lightening products for you. But did you know that moisturizers can inactivate your skin lighteners? So we're going to make sure that your moisturizers have the right kind of fatty acids in them to make your skin lightening products work better. That way you're not wasting your time and money. So you're going to get a regimen. We're going to tell you exactly what products we recommend for your type. But in each step of the regimen, you're going to be able to go and choose from other products that are also right for you. So no matter what your budget is or your preferences are, such as vegan, or maybe you have certain brands you like better, you're going to be able to choose from a list, and you're going to know that those products are right for your skin type. Now, don't forget to retake the quiz when you turn 30, because it's important, because your skin type might change.